Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for stopping by our absolutely second DIY video ever. And also, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Drop that comment. Let us know if you have any DIY projects that you want me to do. And remember, once I hit 100 comments and 100 likes, I will be giving away this hand sanitizer basket. Basically, it has hand sanitizer. It has vitamin E oil. It has wet wipes. It has Kleenex, Vaseline lip care, and also first aid kit. You know what? Everything that's going crazy on, you want to stay prepared. Happy hands save lives. So today, DIYs, we're going to be doing those little picture frames, custom picture frames for the Furbabies. And these are the two pictures that we'll be using today. This is Bubby and Max. Bubby is the tan color. He is a red miniature pinscher mixed with miniature Italian Greyhound. He's a designer dog. And this is Max. He is a Rottweiler and Lab mix. The two picture frames that we have today are from the 99-cent only store. We have two dog collars. We have some twine. I was going to use this, but I'm not going to paint them. We're going to keep it nice and easy, keep it very simple. We have these. These look like silver dollar, and you know silver dollars are lucky. This is Bubby little dog tag that will be added on to it. Don't want to get a close up because I got my phone around there. Alrighty, let's get this party on the road. The first one we're going to do Max picture frame. Something very simple. Keep it simple. So far, we're gonna multitask. I'm gonna add the Bubby in his as well. Bada boom, bada bam. Actually, I might just do his the wrong way. While hot glue is warming up, percolating, I hope everyone had a lovely weekend. It's Sunday Fun Day. Got to be productive. Just pull them right on off. Now I want to take Bubby little dog chain off. just like that. See, when you got lemons, you gotta make lemonade. Just thank goodness I didn't glue it down yet. Super cute. Now I gotta do the one for Maximus. What I'm doing is I'm just making a little bow tie. Bada boom, bada bing. Super cute. No, Bubby, you're not belonging here. That's hilarious. I did it wrong. You tell Taurus that I did it wrong. You hilarious. Bing. You just need a little dot, not too much. Oh, yes. Honey, it's working. Ooh, it's working. Honey, yes, honey, I am living. It's actually working for me. Yes. Get into that. That's real dainty and cute. It's not even over. It's not over. It's not over. It's a creamy fish. Honey bunny. I know I'm just full of energy. I know. I just can't help it. This is the little bow. Put that up there. Not too many bows because, you know, he's a Maximus. He's a maxi boy. Don't want to have it too feminine. And actually, there is a plant called the silver dollar plant. The leaves look just like this. They're good luck. If you ever see a silver dollar plant, buy it. It's good luck. Bring you some extra coinage. Just saying. I don't know, I feel like Max needs something extra. Well, that would work too. And just gotta let this here dry. Remember, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave that comment. Let me know of any other DIY videos that you would like me to accomplish. And remember, when we hit 100 likes and 100 comments, I'll be giving this away to a random individual. Vitamin E oil, hand sanitizer, wet wipes, Kleenex, first aid kit, and some Vaseline lip care treatment. Thank you for stopping by, and make sure you spread the love.